Bro, anybody want to play Minecraft, bro?
You and mommy in my banner. I let a chunk piece of paper.
Dude, I just ate spaghetti and I got the zoomies, I think.
I got the zoomies!
No matter where you are, everyone is always connected.
Pussy!
Police, chief of police, like what do you want?
They're here!
What is happening? Oh. Boo.
Nice!
I covered my balls in petroleum, now they're all black.
I caressed my balls with Vaseline. Now they're sliding up and down my chair.
Dude, I covered my balls in fucking hummus and now I could be a Lebanese band.
I used mustard as lube and now my shit burns. I fucking neutered my shit.
Now you're my mugshot. Now look at me. I have the swag.
Dude, it's OB's Batman.
Oh my god, it's my favorite hero, Quebec Hunt.
Oh, yes. Now,
Fucking shit.
yo, you got this.
No! Come on! Fuck! Dog, I nearly clutched it! Bro, I didn't realize I was out of ammo. Fuck!
You
Aw, man.
retard.
Yo, Sheep, I made a beat. I want you to rate it.
Yeah.
What'd you think
You
of the beat drop? Oh, goddamn. Stop giving me the fucking bomb.
Cat, you're literally
Sheep,
a piece of
fucking
shit.
Deeps, if you had a computer, would you play CS?
I want you out of my head.
Uh-oh, let the demons take over. Look down to see your feet.
When you burp, when you're full, you just throw up.
Yeah, dude.
Just sit there.
Stop. Hey, just not. I'm drunk driving right now, dude. Well, he got the Sonic fit, bro.
Bro, my luck has never been better, bro.
No, you fucking.
You saw his face. Yeah, you want me to kill myself? I should kill it. I should do it.
I want you to
Should
write
kill
it.
myself? You want to kill me? You want me to kill myself? Yeah?
Mouth.
Yeah, you want me to do it? Should I? I should do it, yeah?
Stop, bro. Stop.
That's beautiful.
Take it.
I'm watching you, by the way.
I know. Why are you walking so loud, bro? Oh.
Dude, nice beast mode. Sell chocolate?